Today we are going to see how to find the cube root of decimal numbers using prime factorization. Remember, this method works only when the number of digits on the right of the decimal point is equal to 3 or the multiples of 3. If we take this example, we got 6 numbers after the decimal point. So we can apply this method. In case if the number of digits is not multiple of 3, then we cannot apply this method. Let's see the step-by-step procedure. Step 1. Write the number without the decimal point. Step 2. Calculate the cube root using prime factorization method. Step 3. Number of digits on the right hand side of the decimal point will be 1/3 of the number of digits of the original number. To explain the step 3, please look at the number. Here, the number of digits after the decimal point is 6. So, the answer will have 1/3 of this number, that is 2. So, the answer will have 2 numbers after the decimal point. Let's see with an example. Now let's calculate. The step 1 is to write the number without decimal point and find the prime factors. This is divisible by 7, that is 49. We know 49 is 7 square. Now we need to write the factors. Now cube root of 74088 is equal to. Now let's group these factors in 3. You can write this is 2 cube, this is 3 cube, and this is 7 cube. This can be written as 2 multiply 3 multiply 7, the whole cube. So cube and the cubic root get cancelled. We get 2 multiply 3 multiply 7, that is equal to 42. So now we found out the cubic root with using the prime factorization method. Now this is the time to apply the step 3. So if you see the number of digit after the decimal point, it is 3. So the answer is going to have 1/3 of this number, that is 1. So answer should have 1 number after the decimal point. So that is only 2. So this is the answer. To summarize this, what we have saw so far, the prime factorization method to find the cube root of decimal numbers works only when the number of digits on the right of the decimal point is equal to 3 or the multiples of 3. The procedure to find the cube root for decimal numbers is: step 1, write the number without the decimal point. Step 2, calculate the cube root using the prime factorization method. Step 3, the number of digit on the right hand side of the decimal point will be 1/3 of the number of digit of original number. So calculate the 1/3 of the number of digits after the decimal point in the original number and place the decimal point accordingly. Question 1. Can we use the prime factorization method to find the cube root of the number 0.00125? Yes, the answer is no, because we cannot apply it. After the decimal point, there are 5 digits. So we cannot apply this method. Prime factorization method works only when the number of digit after the decimal point should be 3 or multiples of 3. Question 2. On finding the cube root of the number 0.000064, how many digits will be there after the decimal point in the answer? So number of decimal numbers after the decimal point is here, it is 6. So the answer is going to have 1/3 of 6, that is 2 decimal two numbers will be there after the decimal point.